What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Dan Creating, and I'm back with a sneaker review for you guys this time around. Get away from the vlog content for a second because this is what I really actually like doing. So actually today I have the pleasure of bringing you guys the Nike V5 Rnr, which is a Nike Runner Y2K style sneaker. And the reason I picked this one up is because I had a birthday discount for Nike going on until the 31st of March. So I figured I'd just get these. They're originally retail at 90 USD. So I ended up getting them for $81 with my 10% discount. So that was pretty cool. So unfortunately my Nike Vomeros, these right here, got destroyed. As you can see if this camera picks this up, but there is a hole right there, and that hole has these done for. Actually, it's getting a little bit of a rip right here too, starting to rip right there. But yeah, so I needed something to replace these. These are the anthracite colorway. These were $160 retail. So when I saw these V5s Rnrs, I said, let me try these out and see what we can come up with these. So these are actually pretty cool. I'm going to show you guys in a second. What I like is that the part that I was talking about with the Vomeros, where this inside part where it rips and like it just gets ripped up. I'm not really sure why that happens, but it rips right here on the side. So the Rnr V5, I'm going to show you right now. Boom. This is what it looks like. It's an all black pair with this shiny like reddish black that it has. But as you can see, it's a pretty cool shoe. Looks pretty good. It looks literally like the Y2K era, which is what I was looking for. I just use these for work. So here you have the all black, and the part that I'm talking about, the inner here, it is actually covered by like a, I want to call that suede, but it's not real suede. You know what it is, but it's like a suede there, but it covers that part, so my foot won't really break this part over here like my foot has been doing. I'm not really sure if it's my foot or the way the shoe's made or the way I'm landing when I walk, but this is them right here, Nike V5 Rnr. It's got a really plush tongue. The fit is pretty much the same as the Vomero V5s. I mean the Vomero 5s, but you know, they seem as comfortable as well. I like the big cushioning sole that they have here. It's a very nice, regular, decent design. In the back, you got a little Nike swoosh right here. In the front, you have Nike, and then you have the swoosh as well on the tongue. The tongue is like a mesh, and then the lining. All of this is mesh. It's a really good mesh, I would say. I like the swooshes. The swooshes are kind of like it's like a rubber plastic, but it gives it a little shine, so it looks a little bit cooler. And I believe that this pair is gonna be a good pair to have. Like I believe it'll work. It has some 3M hints, you know, 3M hint there. I believe this is 3M. I haven't really checked. I know it has a little 3M right here on the eyelets. On the eyelets right there, and they seem pretty good. I mean, on the inside, all you have there is just a Nike logo, nothing crazy, but the feel and the cushion feels good on these, and I'm really excited to have a pair to try out and give it a shot, you know what I mean? It looks pretty good to me, so I'm gonna give these a shot. I will keep you all, how I like to say, I will keep you all up to date. I do have TikTok if you follow me on there. It's the same as here, Dan Creating. And this is the shoe. Let me get the other shoe for you guys. And Nike really is trying to get into the whole Asics and New Balance flow with the lower priced but really good shoes. So we're gonna try these out and we'll see. They're made with 20% recycled content. That's what it says there, made with at least 20% recycled content. So we'll test that out. We'll see how long these last. We'll give them that wear test and we'll see if it works out. I can tell the recycled content is the sole, because I don't know if it's gonna pop up on the video, but They're little specks of white, so that's how you know that that's the recycled content, because they just grind everything together. The Nike grind is what it's called. They put all that together, and then they put it on the sole or wherever they want to put it at. Oh, what does that say? Oh, it says something here on the bottom of the sole. It says you are what? You are an athlete. If you have, you are an athlete if you have a body. It says it down there, right in here. See if you guys can read that or make that out right there. That's kind of cool. I didn't even realize that. That's a pretty cool thing. And then you have your Nike right here in the middle. You have your little traction. And then this is kind of like a plate in the middle. It's not like the Vomeros. The Vomeros has that plastic shank right there. I'm not touching the bottom of these are filthy. But it's got that shank right there. So that kind of gives like the, you know, when the foot bends, it kind of keeps that in place. It's kind of like a spring plate kind of, sort of, I guess. Because it's basically a running shoe, so. But they did a really good job with this. So I'm gonna try these and see. I mean, you can't go wrong for $81. You can't go wrong for $90 even. So they have a few different colorways. They have a green, a white and green. They have a white and like brownish gold, I believe it is. I'm not really sure. And then I also saw a white and silver on another website, not Nike's website. I think it was Nordstrom. I think it was Nordstrom. But so yeah, we're gonna give these a shot. Give them. We'll see what they do. We'll see how good they are, if they really work, and then if they hold up to my commute, my daily commute, because I commute into the city for work every day, 5 days a week. No, not every day, every weekday, 5 days a week. So these will be seeing a lot of the pavement, and I do go on walks and all that stuff, so they will see a lot of wear. So I will keep you guys up to date on how it goes. If you have any questions, feel free to put it down below. Like I said, these are on the Nike site. These are $90 a piece. If you have a birthday coming up and you really want to get something on the lower end, so something to rock, I would go with a pair of these. And they seem pretty comfortable from when I tried them on feet. I will give you guys an on foot look right after this, but just in case, here they are again, and I hope you love them. And now let's get on to this on feet look. Alright guys, that was the on feet look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Once again, we got the Nike V5 Rnr, which stands for runner, I would assume. Here is the box. Did not show you guys the box. There it is. So you guys can see. There it is right there. Size 12. Nike V5 Rnr, black, anthracite. And so that's how it came. It did not come with any paper. It came just like that, no paper included, which is fine. The box going in the garbage anyway. But here you have it, guys. Nike V5 Rnr. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And until the next one, have a great day, y'all. Peace.